With the macro hem turnup SP, you can create a graded turnup for a pattern piece. Start the macro and select the hemlines. They cannot be curved and need to consist of a single element. However, you can select multiple at once using the right mouse button. Click the last element with the left mouse button. Set your parameters for the measurements of your turnup. Once everything is set, confirm with OK. The macro now creates the turnup for the selected elements. If a 3D 2D Connect license is active, the construction lines will be converted to 3D internal lines automatically. The macro hem turnup with mirror behaves in the same way, but it can be used on pieces containing a mirror line instead.